Hi and welcome back to Savile Travels. I'm today preparing for my holiday, so I'm very excited to be in this position again. I'm going away this time just with my mum on a girly trip, and we are off to Ibiza. I haven't been to Ibiza for absolutely years and years. I think I was about 16 the last time I went, so a long time ago. And this is going to be a very chilled holiday. We are staying in the north of the island in Portinatx. And I've heard that it is very, very pretty, and I'm so looking forward to discovering this area. And the hotel that we're staying in is the Grupotel Ibiza Beach Resort. And this is literally right on the beach. It's an adults only hotel, so that's perfect for me and my mum as we're not going away with any children. It's also a really small hotel, only 187 rooms. I'm just hoping that because it's a small hotel, it's not going to be too crazily busy in terms of getting some beds and also the buffet restaurant. The other thing I'm wondering is whether they are going to cater well for me being gluten-free, but time will tell. We're staying on a half board basis, so we've got our breakfast included and also our dinner. And then we do plan to go out and have some lunches out and about, and also go out for some nice drinks. And I've been researching the area, and I've heard that there's some very nice restaurants literally just the other side of the bay. So I've just got my suitcase out, haven't started packing anything yet. I've got a couple of days, so I've got a bit of time, but I need to get a little bit more organised than I currently am. This time I'm going to be taking a wheelie case with me as my hand luggage, because me and my mum have pre-ordered at Stansted Airport some nice wine to take with us, because that is my biggest bugbear when we go and stay in a hotel, is that often they don't offer very nice wines. Obviously when we're out and about, hopefully we can drink some of the local wine, and I'm sure we'll find some that we do enjoy, and obviously it just keeps the cost of your holiday down a little bit. The hotel that we've chosen, we mainly chose it because of whereabouts it is. We thought it'd be nice to go to the north of the island and discover that area, and also it looks like a very clean and modern hotel. And of course I was on TripAdvisor having a look before we booked it to see if it had some good reviews. It has actually got some mixed reviews. I'll be bringing you a full vlog and a hotel tour and as much information I can, so that if you want to go here then you'll know what to expect. We're hoping to one day to pop into Ibiza town. I think the best and the cheapest way to do this is to catch the bus, so that'd be quite nice. Not really too sure what else we're going to be doing, so if you've got any recommendations then please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and what you think is a good day or trip to do in Ibiza. To put some context onto this, we paid £747 each, half board, and that was for 7 nights, and we've got flights from Stansted Airport, and we booked this holiday with TUI. The weather is looking like it's going to be super hot, so I'm going to make sure I've got loads of suntan cream with me, because we're looking at between 28 and 30 degrees most days next week. It's pretty hot, isn't it? It's scorching. Luckily, we've had some nice weather at home in the UK, so I've got a little bit of a base colour to start with. If you've got any restaurant recommendations or bars in the local area that you think are really nice, then please do let me know, because I would be really interested to go and discover those while we're away. I'm really glad that I've been booking my holidays in advance, because prices have gone up so much. Obviously I've told you how much we paid for this, but I don't know how much it is now. We're going to Mauritius as well next month, which is really exciting. So there'll be more videos on Mauritius as well if that's something that you're interested in. And again, I did check the price on that, and we are looking at thousands of pounds more if I was to book exactly the same holiday. So I'm excited to finish this packing and head off to Ibiza with my mum. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really look forward to seeing you soon. And if you're interested in more content about the hotel that we're staying in, or Ibiza, or my next holiday in Mauritius, then remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so that you don't miss my videos. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you soon. Bye.